this is Joe Altieri with FlexScreen, and today we're here with Jim Donnelly from Lindsay Windows and Doors. Thanks for hanging out with us today.
Thanks for having me, Joe. Welcome to Lindsay. This is going to be fun.
Yeah, this has been a great trip so far. We got a chance to meet with some of your dealers earlier and did a little bit of training, so they seem to be really excited about the partnership with FlexScreen and Lindsay.
Everybody's talking about it, so we're excited.
So one thing, we were out at dinner last night, and one thing that we were wondering is, where did the name Lindsay come from?
Lindsay actually is the last name of the original founder of Lindsay Windows and Doors. We started in Mankato, Minnesota in 1947, so we're actually just finished celebrating our 70th year of window manufacturing.
That's incredible.
It is, and we're excited to be in Chicago now. Today, we're up to 6 plants. So our core model is the Midwest, but we have plants in Minnesota, Chicago, St. Louis, Atlanta, Seattle, and Southern California. So we're growing.
Yeah, I had a chance to visit the Atlanta facility when we were setting up our plant down there, and a very impressive organization. Actually, all of your plants are very impressive. So it's been great seeing you guys grow.
What's really unique about each plant is each plant manufactures the product. We're not a distribution center. Each manufacturing facility builds products for that market, and then we also share products. So each plant might build something unique that we then can distribute to the other product line. So it keeps us lean, keeps us clean, and keeps our products moving through the different channels.
Lean and clean.
Yep.
I like that. That's good. So tell me a little history. So Lindsay was the original last name of the owners, but now it's family owned by the
Royce family.
The Royce family.
Yep. John and Jeff Royce. John is the father. Jeff is the son. John was a banker in Minnesota and purchased Lindsay Windows and Doors, and then his son came on, helped open the St. Louis location. And then as we've grown, we've opened up new plants focusing on marketplaces that are growing, that are rich in both new construction and replacement opportunities.
That's awesome. So what the how long have the Royces owned the company?
The late 80s.
Late 80s. Okay, wow. So it's been quite a while.
Correct.
So your market strategy, you said that because you have different different locations, there might be slightly different. What is the market strategy here in Chicago?
So in Chicago, we go through 3 primary channels: lumber yards, supply house. We go through window and door specialists, and then we do replacement specialists. And the replacement specialists, they would be doing the in-home presentations, furnish and install. The window specialists would be meeting with architects and or would-be home builders or homeowners, and they would align them with the Lindsay product that best fits their needs. And then the lumber yards would be building through your traditional building material supply.
What brought you guys to Chicago? Was it the pizza? Was it the deep dish? Is that what it was?
Pizza, Italian beefs, and hot dogs. So that's Chicago. But no, we saw opportunity in Chicago because the replacement market was pretty lucrative, and there was a lot going on in replacement. Age of homes, surplus and stock of homes, plus the new construction opportunities was endless with the development of new subdivisions and people looking to move out of the city and into the suburbs. They were looking for a high-end product that met their needs color-wise, energy efficiency-wise. So today we operate in those 2 primary channels: new construction and replacement.
So what is Lindsay's marketing strategy? Like what is the thing that makes Lindsay special as you guys are going out and getting new customers and talking to your old customers? So
what our dealers really like is that the products that they would be talking about in the home or with the builders, we actually manufacture here in our plant. So that helps us on our lead time. What's really beneficial is we actually do an after-sale support. So once the window's in the home, we take ownership of the service. So we can get to all of our dealers in the Great Lakes territory from a sales, distribution, and service. Our warranties, the Pinnacle product, we offer a lifetime warranty. It's transferable. We offer the opportunities of upgrading to accidental glass breakage warranties. And then with your FlexScreen warranty, with the warranty extended to the homeowners, it's a lay down.
That's great. Speaking of the Pinnacle, that's the window we're going to talk a little bit about. There's some great features with that window. Can you go into a couple of them?
If you look at windows from a good, better, best standpoint, the Pinnacle line is our best product. That product comes standard with a lifetime warranty. It is transferable. Comes standard with a fiberglass reinforcement in the interlock.
Makes it really strong.
Strong, strength of steel, energy benefits of fiberglass. The frame is foam filled. We have a magnetic weather stripping, so it acts like a refrigerator door down at the bottom sash.
Really?
It comes standard with a full screen, which would be the FlexScreen. It has a 3-position lock, so you don't have your traditional surface-mounted tilt latch. So it looks like a traditional wood window, very clean sight lines, smooth operation from double-hung applications, and with all of the exterior colors that we offer, which are 16, and 5 interior wood grains, it gives us an opportunity to really hit any age of home without disrupting the interior look.
So you guys offer all of those color options. What seems to be the trend up in this area?
So currently what's really hot right now is black and
I
bronze.
love black windows.
I,
Well, yeah, it's not just this,
Yep.
but I really like the look of, just how striking they are compared to some of the lighter siding colors that are out.
Yeah.
So.
Black is very popular right now, and with the flex screen and it being black,
It's completely hidden.
It's completely hidden.
Yeah, that's great. So, one of the questions that I have to ask is, do you have screens in your house at home?
I do, and I actually have the traditional triple track storm windows. So it is very cumbersome, and they're metal, they're dimpled, they're corroded. You can see them, right?
So you need an upgrade here soon.
I need an upgrade. I know a window guy.
you know a guy, right? So what is some of the pain that your customers have experienced with aluminum screens in the past? Traditional aluminum screens.
Traditional aluminum screens, removal and reinstallation. People have a tendency to really bang up the screens. They might be a little too aggressive and really rough on the screens, so trying to get them in and out, they might bend the screens, scratching of the screens. Fortunately, we offer 2 different fiberglass meshes on our product. We do the standard and or the clear view improve visibility. So we have that benefit, but when you're looking at the traditional aluminum screens, you still have that cumbersome of removal and installation. Plus, you're looking at approximately 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch of a perimeter frame around the screen. So it kind of really reduces the sight lines.
Yeah, nobody wants to look through their window that they just paid all kind of money for and see screen frame coming through.
Correct.
So when was the first time you saw FlexScreen?
So you actually presented at a dealer show that we did up in Minnesota. Every year in Minnesota, we invite all of our dealers to meet our vendors to see what products we are launching new for that year. And so you had an opportunity to present to the group. And there were a lot of oohs and ahs when people saw that flex screen.
It was, I have to tell you, that was an incredible experience. I mean, number one, the sheer size of your dealer group was awesome.
Big turnout.
And then the way that you did, you kind of split everybody up and were able to teach them certain things about, not just about the window, but about different things about the industry that were beneficial to them. So I was really impressed.
That's really important for us. We want to be a partner in their business. So education is key. Education about the glass, education about the materials, education about installation. So we're always sitting with our dealers and helping them move through those challenges that they might be posed with, whether it be from a homeowner and or from the competition. So we want to show them how to overcome those challenges.
Right.
And when you did the FlexScreen presentation in that breakout, a lot of people saw an immediate benefit to that product.
Yeah, there were a lot of people interested in talking afterwards, for sure.
Yes.
Which was great.
Everyone was gathered around your table.
So your personal first impression when you saw it?
I was thrilled. I love the idea that we can get a full screen. I love the flex option, but I really like the fact that we can stick with our 2 current frame options, the standard charcoal fiberglass and or the improved visibility mesh.
Right. So what as we kind of wrap up here, what makes FlexScreen a good fit for Lindsay?
For Lindsay, it's a good fit for a couple of reasons. First off, the warranty. When the homeowner is sitting with our dealers and or our builders and they're talking about the screens, that's a big touch point that people always want to ask. They ask about the screens as much as they ask about the warranty and or the glass. So it's important to them. Here in Chicago, screens are a big part. We got a lot of bugs, so screens are key. The low profile of the frame A lot of people really like that when it is incorporated into our slope sill, that water and or snow and ice. Snow and ice can dam behind that existing screen frame, so now that stuff just melts and just
flows right out
and over the screen. And it hides into the screen track pocket. So regardless of the color of the window, when that screen is snapped into that pocket, it's invisible. It's sitting in that shadow line. It's a non-issue.
You know, one of the interesting things, because you sell through lumber yards, you guys have you touch into the dealer or the builder market. What do you see there as far as challenges that they have with screens and how FlexScreen might help to overcome that?
A lot of dealers will hold screens and or box screens, and then they'll put the screens in almost immediately before homeowner purchase. You guys do a nice job of labeling the screens. So all of the screens are labeled that correspond with the number on our window. So the builder can walk around and easily understand where those screens go. They may still offer half screens, even though it might be a double hung. So you have a great solution for half screens, because some people still find that is their preference. And with the fact that we can extend that warranty to them, that they can then pass on to the homeowner, and that corresponds with our warranties as well.
Yeah, what we've heard from some of the dealers is, you know, whether they're boxing them or they're sitting around at the job site, they typically get damaged a little bit more than maybe the replacement window guys. So, you know, the fact that our frame is so damage resistant, they seem to really like that as well. Do you guys?
Yeah. New construction is a rough environment. So having that steel frame with that PVC coat, it's almost indestructible.
Yeah. Well, thanks so much for your time. We do
Thank
have a little parting gift for you.
Fantastic.
Although from what I hear, you might have to fight off some of your office staff for it.
This is sticking with me.
But thank you so much for your time, and really appreciate everything that you guys are doing for us and with us.
Fantastic. Thanks, Joe.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.